Hi, I'm Dinah with Daystar Decor and More, and if you are a clerk, treasurer in your small church and do not have a computer software program to do your books and can't find the right system for you, watch this video, for I have created a financial system that works for me and I would like to share it with you. I have created the ebook on the instructions for a small church financial system. In these instructions, I have sections for how to record your deposits. If you receive tithes into your church, I have a section on individual tithes, and also I have spreadsheets on tithe summaries. The tithe summary is a quarterly summary, which you could also break down into monthly or weekly, however you do yours, but I think most churches do reporting on a quarterly basis. I have section on different auxiliaries in the church, like expenses. I have spreadsheets showing you how to do your expenses, how I do mine, and telling you how to total those out. How to record your pastor's offerings and tithes. And then I have several different auxiliaries that I use. We have our Sunday school, of course, and youth camp, youth activities, children's ministries, and so on. And then I have a weekly and monthly summary of those auxiliaries. I also have included instructions for a check register, how to fill out your check register. And I have instructions for balancing a check register to the bank statement. I have an example bank statement and how to reconcile your bank statement. I also have instructions for a treasury report. And with those instructions, of course, I have examples, how to fill those out, and I've left signature lines for you and your pastor to sign. Then I have a little section on treasury report reconcilement, pulling it all together. And last but not least, I have instructions for a tax preparation worksheet, and it shows you how I fill out my tax worksheets. And there's a section for the pastor's tithes that he has received, and also if you have someone like we pay our janitor with an offering on a monthly basis, and I show you how to fill out the section for their offering if it's someone that just gets offerings. And then you need to consult with a CPA for necessary tax forms. Different churches, I'm sure, does it differently, so you would need to check with your CPA on those. Then I have the financial records. I have a blank form for everything that I have included in my instructions, including the check register. Now, I don't keep a check register like I do on a personal account. I use mine when I go in to do my reports and do my deposit on a weekly basis. I fill out my check register, include my deposits and my withdrawals. But if I have withdrawals through the week, of course, you need to record those. But that's when I do my check register. I don't keep one with me because, of course, I don't take the checkbook and write checks on it. I usually just write my checks when I'm doing bills at the end of the month. So that's when I do my register, but I have that blank form in there. Treasury report, I have all the auxiliaries, you know, how to fill those out. This is just the blank forms. I have some that have some things in there that usually all the churches have, but if you don't need to use that, then I have just complete blank form. I have a minute book instructions. So I have minute book blank forms. I have regular business conference minutes. And I also have called conference minutes forms that you can fill out. And like I said, last but not least, I have tax prepared worksheets. And this covers what your pastor has received and what each person that has given to the church has received in offerings. And you can record your tithes and your offerings separately and come up with your total. So that is the financial system that I have put together for a small church. And I hope that if you are a small church and you are in need of a record financial system, that you will consider purchasing this one. And you can purchase this at my Etsy shop. You can go to daystardecor.etsy.com and it will take you into my website, and you will be able to order that from there. I appreciate it, and I look forward to hearing from you through my Etsy shop. Thank you and have a nice day.